Good day all, we'll be installing VirtualBox today. This is the setup of VirtualBox. Here is the custom setup. This will allow you to change what features you want to be installed, such as your USB support, your networking support, and your Python support. We will leave this as is. Do know while installing VirtualBox, you may be temporarily disconnected from a network if you are connected to one. If you want to proceed to install, click yes. This is the dependencies that any are missing, such as Python core slash Win32 API, which we need to install first before the installation is continued. Here you will create your shortcuts to your desktop, shortcuts to the start menu, shortcuts to your quick punch bar, and to register file associations in the PC. If you have anything to change, you can always click back, but if you're sure, you can click install. And that's the installation of VirtualBox.